how to stop unwanted mails in Gmail. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can stop unwanted mails in Gmail, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to stop unwanted emails on Gmail, all you have to do is simply first of all open up Gmail. Let's say you receive constant marketing emails from a specific email service or anything as such, and now you want to go ahead and then simply disable and unsubscribe from those. Well, it is very simple. All you have to do is simply go ahead and open up the specific mail where you've been targeted. If you scroll down to each and every email, you might find this little button known as unsubscribe, because it is a policy of email services to allow the users to unsubscribe. So you have to look for this option known as unsubscribe. In case you don't find it, then you can just tap the three dots option from the top right and then choose to unsubscribe them. Otherwise, you can simply scroll down, tap the unsubscribe option, and you'll be successfully unsubscribed from that specific email right over here. This way you can go ahead and then actually unsubscribe from emails on Gmail and stop unwanted emails. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.